आप मुझे जंजीरों में जकड़ सकते हैं, यातना दे सकते हैं, इस शरीर को नष्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कभी मेरे विचारों को कैद नहीं कर सकते।
NSSDDOC congratulate you all on this occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi is undoubtedly amongst the strongest cornerstone of the Indian freedom struggle. His life is a message in itself. Be the change you want to see in the world is that robust teaching that shakes up the inner conscience. Gandhian principle needs to be epitomized amongst the youth. Sometimes it may look mundane, but is very effective in the long run. The Gandhian maxim of means is more important than the end, emphasized to focus on the journey rather than the destination. The logical orientation of NSS is inspired by the principles of Mahatma. Our motto, "Not me, but you," aptly shows our inclination towards society before self. To understand the community, identify its needs and problems, and use one's knowledge to find a practical solution, and in this whole process develop basic life skills amongst the volunteer is the primary objective of NSS. So here we jot down some Gandhian principle that had played a major role in the whole structure of NSS.
Respect of all beings, Sparsh Bhavna. Gandhiji was a pioneer in freeing the society from the absurd shackles of untouchability. This principle was brought forward by him in order to bring a sense of equality among the different communities and to remove the invisible barrier formed in between castes. He gave society the idea of every person being equal and deserving equal respect. NSS holds on to this principle as its main motive is to provide service to everyone in need, be it the poor children in dire need of educational help, the exploited environment, or the helpless people left unattended. NSS has always taken up the baton to bring out a change at the grassroots level.
Non-stealing. Asteya. Asteya in practice means not steal, not cheat, nor unethically manipulate others' property or others for one's own gain. One shouldn't want to encourage cheating through speech or writing, or not even in one's thinking. As an NSS volunteer, we have learned only to give and never steal, whether it's happiness, service, or help. To quote, one can say, earth provide to satisfy every needs, but not man's greed.
Known possession, aparigraha. Known possession means that we should not hoard anything that we do not need today. Gandhiji told that the less you possess, the less you want, the better you become. And better for what? Not for enjoyment of this life, but for enjoyment of personal services to your fellow beings. Services which you dedicate to yourself, to your body, to your mind, and to your soul. This can be easily understood by our motto, "Not me, but you." We are always there for service before self.
Non-violence, ahimsa. Non-violence and non-resistance has a long history in Indian religion and many revivals in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jain, Jewish and Christian contexts. Gandhiji stated his philosophy and way of life in his autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth. In that he quoted that there are many reasons that I'm prepared to die for, but no reason that I'm prepared to kill for. Thus, in NSS, we try to take care of every creature on the earth.
Use locally made goods, Swadeshi. Gandhiji, being ahead of time, gave the mantra of Atmanirbharta decades ago. He stressed on the growth of rural economy and promoted khadi, handloom, handicraft and sericulture. He developed the instinct of relating the consumption of local products with one's patriotism and thus with the independence struggle. In the third decade of 21st century, NSS is trying to inculcate this Gandhian value and has actively engrossed itself in the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. In the current crisis, spreading awareness is the greatest weapon we have. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy local. And that's kind of same.
Self-discipline, Brahmacharya. The philosophy of Brahmacharya is largely associated with celibacy and asceticism. Gandhiji saw Brahmacharya as a means of becoming close with God and is the primary foundation for self-realization. In his autobiography, he tells his battle against lustful urges and fits of jealousy. He felt it his personal obligation to remain celibate so that he could learn love rather than lust.
Truth, Satya. Mahatma Gandhi stated that the most important battle to fight was overcoming his own demons, fears and insecurities. Gandhi summarized his beliefs first when he said God is truth. He would later change his statement to truth is God. Thus, in Gandhi's philosophy, truth was equal to God. Therefore, we always try to inculcate the value of truth in NSS volunteers and try to be honest.
Equality of all religions, Sarve Dham Samanta. Gandhiji strongly believed that every person in the world is similar. Nobody is bound by religion or caste. Every person is equal whether he is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian or any other religion or caste. Because of Gandhiji, we are now living in a secular country where we are free to celebrate any festival and free to adopt another religion where we are inspired from. We at NSS celebrate all the festivals of all religions by spreading happiness and love, be it Holi, Eid or Christmas. So to conclude, the need of the movement is not one religion, but mutual respect and tolerance of devotees of different religions.
And then the final principle of Sharir Shram or body labor. Bapu encouraged everyone to put in their body labor, only then he or she is entitled to enjoy the fruit. Shram is the base of this whole setup of NSS. We are not the man of our words but of our action. And the various activities taken up, be it slum teaching, donation drive, plantation drives, rallies, Nukkar Natak, etc., proves it. Even the online mode of the current crisis is not able to stop us from doing our shram. Two of the activities taken up are mask making and distribution, and also ration was voluntarily distributed by our volunteers during this lockdown period. Project Care was started to make sure people take care of their mental health. Project Choti Shurwaat was initiated to promote a sustainable lifestyle by including small habits. Yoga Week was celebrated and various asanas and pranayams were taught through our social media handles. Online quiz, webinars, poster making competition, essay writing competition, etc. are few of the activities taken up by NSS DDUC to spread awareness and bring out a grassroots level change.